your local on the 8th.
A high wind warning is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. Partly cloudy, warm, high 77. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. For tonight, windy with thunderstorms late. A few storms may be severe. Low 60. Winds south-southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. On Tuesday, windy with morning thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. High 64. Chance of rain 80%. Our week ahead.
All right, how about some eyewitness video for you? Trouble in paradise when Richard arrived on the island of Ambergris.